Welcome guys. In this video I will write the C++ program that will ask the user to enter his personal information and then it will display the information entered by the user. For this, first create the variables to store the user information. For example, I want to ask the user to enter his name. For this purpose, create a variable name that will store the name of the user. Similarly, create a variable subject to save the subject of the user. Also create a variable roll number to store the roll number of the user. Similarly, declare a variable nationality to store the nationality of the user. You can declare more variables to store more data about the user, but I am starting the program with these information. First of all, prompt the user to enter his name. So cout, enter your name and store this in the name variable cin name. After this, prompt the user to enter his subject cout, enter your subject and use cin to get the value from the user and stored in the subject variable. Similarly, ask the user to enter his roll number cout, enter your roll number and store this in the roll number variable cin roll number. Now prompt for the nationality cout, enter your nationality cin nationality. After this, display these information. So to display these information, print the values stored in these variables. So cout, your name is name and the line and then cout. Your subject is the value stored in the subject variable. Similarly, print the roll number. Cout. Your roll number is. The value stored in the roll number variable. And L. And at last, display the nationality of the user. Cout. Your nationality is. The value stored in the nationality variable. Let's run the program. And it asks enter your name, enter Asif, enter your subject computer, enter your roll number, let enter BSCS something, enter your nationality, Pakistani. The program display your name is Asif, your subject is computer, your roll number is BSCS 445, your nationality is Pakistan. Let's run again. Enter your name. Let name is Sajid. Enter your subject. Subject is bio. Enter your roll number. Roll number is BS bio something, and your nationality is, let enter Indian. And program display your name is Sajid, your subject is bio, your roll number is BS bio, your nationality is Indian. You can make some changes to the program here. Print, sorry, cout. Output of the program. Now let's run the program. There is an error. L. Now run the program. Now run the program. It displayed enter your name. Let enter Asif. Enter your subject, computer. Enter your roll number. something. Enter your nationality, Pakistani. Output of the program is your roll number, name, roll number, and it display all the information.